So here we are, today's video. It's been a long week getting this frame ready for the show. So what we've done last night is we got the horns tack welded into place. Then we turned and flipped the frame over. Right now I'm going to weld the underside, get those ready, and then I will grind them down, get it finished welded. Man, I'm tired. I think I've probably put about 30, maybe 40 hours into this frame to try to get it ready for a show for tomorrow. So we're still a long ways away, but we're getting closer. So I'm going to finish up the welding on this, and then I will come see you guys in the end. So I got this one final welded the top side here, actually the bottom, welded inside here. I couldn't really grind that down or anything. And then I did this one back here, got this one all final welded in. I've still got to mount this one up. I had to build a little bit of a plate to come across, just because it was not lined up just right. So now I'm just going to have somebody kind of come help me so we can get that one welded into place. But this side's pretty much done underneath. Now I got to come over here and still weld up the inside of this edge right here. Back here, I gotta weld all this up. So here we have it. We've got the whole frame welded up on the bottom side. Here is the rear frame cab. This is the middle. This is the front. Now of course this is upside down. There's this one. And we welded it inside and out. And here's our old frame. Now what we got to do is we got to still flip this over so that we can slide it in underneath the truck. So there you have it. We've got it all mounted up, put the bolts in, everything lines up good, measured it out. Now, I measured this probably about 100 times before I took any welding, anything, before I did any type of measurements. I made sure everything was square, made sure it was level, made sure it was true, and it came out great. So I probably got about 50 hours into this frame. Now, I still got a lot more work to do. I still got to section it to the front of the factory frame. I've still got to do the C-notch in the back. Still a lot of work out there to do. But at least now we can get it to the show. We can show people about the frame, that kind of stuff. So please rate, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you guys next week.